Do you want to lift your face, but you don't have any tools? Here is a 5-minute routine that's easy for you to do in your shower that will actually lift and restore the fascia in your face. It's excellent for lifting cheeks, those droopy jowls, and restoring some vibrance to the eyes. You don't need any tools for this, just your hands. You always want to start by putting some really nice, delicious serum on your face. If we're going to be rubbing on our skin, we want a nice serum. So I'm just going to lightly pat this all over my face. We'll go and restore and release, and then we'll actually work and strengthen. Many times our face is being pulled down because of the tension in our fascia system. And so if we get to release that, everything lifts up. And then I'm going to end by showing you a couple of HIIT exercises for your face. I like to first think about tapping my lymphatic system 10 times right here at my clavicle, and then 10 times right here behind my ear. Then I'm going to take the back of my knuckles on my oiled skin. I'm going to start by going up the front of my neck on my Adam's apple. And remember, it's on a curve. So I'm going to go one side, in the middle, and then the other. I do that a few times. Then I take my knuckles and I come over to the side of my neck. Remember, we've got these really strong muscles, sternocleidomastoid and all your scalenes that come forward. These are tense, tight muscles. Using my knuckles, and I'm combing down them, both sides at one time, bringing it down to my clavicle where your lymph duct is. We do that to clean all the tension that holds toxins down to the lymph duct so we can pull it right off. I'm going to do that a few times. Then I'm going to take my knuckles and I'm going to go to the back of my head. So right at your occipital ridge, which is right at the base of your skull, I'm going to do that same kind of tension release all the way back down to my trap. And I'll do that both sides. Then we're going to bring that forward to the clavicle. Then I'm going to take my hands and use the back that I've got lightly oiled, and I'm going to bring the toxins as I'm restoring the tissue back to the lymph duct here. Little swoops, always ending on the up because we want to bring our whole face up. We've got strong chewing muscles. We've got 2 of them here, and we want to release the tension in between them. So we're going to open our jaw a little bit and soften our jaw. We're going to use the pointy part of our knuckles, and we're going to be going up and down, both sides at the same time. You're going to start from the inners, and you're going to move yourself back. Wherever you have the most tension, you want to stay the longest. Then you're going to hold your skin up right at the temple, and you're going to push the tension down and the toxins down to the lymph node right behind the ear, and then down to the clavicle. Putting the pressure down to the masseter muscle of the jaw, take it to the lymph node and down to the clavicle lymph node. Other side, up and over, secure your skin right at the bottom of the temple, push down, go through the masseter where you get lots of tension, take it to the lymph duct and back, and down to the clavicle. Now we take the back of our knuckle, both knuckles same side. Come around and get the tissue underneath the jawline. Take it up and drop it at the cheek. Other side. Then you're going to be like a scoop right underneath those cheekbones. Get a little bit more oil. You never want to drag your skin. Right underneath the cheekbones, up and through the cartilage of the ear to the back of the ear. Don't stop early. Trying to lift and release tension and lift and restore. All putting those muscles and the tight fascia back into its original youthful space. Even best if you take a picture of yourself before this and right after it, you'll be able to see the results. I'm going to do that same kind of scooping motion that I did here, and I'm going to do that on the inside parts of my brow, one brow at a time. I'm going to take that all the way up to my hairline. Other side. And I like to think about, where do I want the highest lift on my eye? Mine, as I'm aging, is starting to go down here. So I'm going to move super slow as I get to the outside to try to lift my eyebrow over my brow bone. And the more tension that you have in that area, the more it resists being lifted, right? So you're going to go up, put pressure, go to the peak or wherever you want your peak to be, push up more, come down, pull out those brows up and over. You're not letting it scoop back down. Then we're going to do across our forehead using the back side of the knuckle again, using them both in rotation across. The healthier your skin is, the faster you'll see blood supply in the area, which means when that blood comes forward, it can pull out toxins and debris in the skin, and then blood supply brings collagen and elastin to the surface where it can grow and restore. Now we've released the tension in our face. Perfect time to go and strengthen the muscles. So when you're strengthening the muscles, you want to try to move your face lightly and quickly. So you're not going to go. You're going to do little tiny controlled moves, lifting your cheekbones, flexing the cheekbones, but not making a bunch of wrinkles in your face as you do it. And you do it fast. You're trying to burn out that muscle. Now we're going to do that where we're working underneath the eye. We're going to squint it almost like a little kitty cat. Use the muscles underneath your eye, both bottoms and top, without making a lot of wrinkles in your face. And you're going to do that. Hit again. Fast, fast, fast. The best way to always end any kind of face work is by flushing out the toxins that we have got just going around because of us doing treatment or work and bringing blood supply. So I like just to softly lift up, lift up. We've got lymph nodes right in front of our ears, down, bring it to behind the ear, and sweep it down here. This move you could actually do every single day. The idea is, if it's easy for you to do it out of the shower, then use a delicious serum. If you're an in the shower girl, you can use a really nice oil-based cleanser and do it in there. I think the ideal time is around 5 minutes for all the moves. You can get them all done within 5 minutes and hop right out of that shower. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I specialize in restoring the fascia system so it improves our aesthetics and our mobility without any compromise. I work from literally hair growth to feet health. Follow along. You'll find a lot more routines that will be beneficial for your health and your beauty.